Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Jazz. Right now we're here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, just waiting for our other 4 friends to arrive. We're about to head out for a trip together to Mount Pinatubo, and I thought I'd take you guys along with us from the start of the journey.
So how do they do?
I let Princess do the talking because I really don't know how to speak in front of the camera, and I'm a very camera shy guy.
Hi guys! Welcome to our mini vlog. Basta na hi Blanche. Nalakalakaligay yun. Hi Sul. Hi Jazz. Hi Kimi. And nonetheless, Christy. Hello. Kamusta po kayo? Korean. Ko vlogger.
We just arrived at SM Hypermarket and we're about to drop our bags and go to IKEA to have our lunch.
Okay. Your mini vlog. Ano ka? Oh, kani i-book.
After we dropped our bags in SM Hypermarket, we proceeded to IKEA. I tried their plant bowls and Sul tried the meatballs and Princess tried something chicken. I actually forgot what it was. After our lunch, we went to our Airbnb and dropped our bags, and I changed some clothes because it's a little bit hot. After we dropped our bags in our Airbnb, we went to MOA Sky and catch the sunset there. And I understand why a lot of people watch sunset there, because it was really beautiful.
Hello! Welcome to MOA, SM MOA. I'm here with who the is this?
Language.
Stop. Sa phone. Wala namang mga jowa. Asan na ba dong Jazz?
Hi guys, we're going back. Hello guys, we're here at SMPC company. We're going back and forth and back again. So papunta na kami. Halina kayo. Insert music. Comment down below. Please hit like, share, and subscribe.
Kahit wala naman po kayong page.
Doggies! Hi doggies!
Nakyat ninyo, iwa ko yung food. Kuloy sa dogs. Pwede ra?
I'll give you a tour. So this is the lobby. Show them. On our way to our room.